Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on OnePlus 13R. So you have to start by opening your Google app, then click on your avatar and then go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant and go to voice match and then click here to enable Hey Google. Now click on more and I agree, then click on more and I agree again and click next. Now click on retrain voice match model and you have to say, hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next. And now we can go back and click on lock screen. Then click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.